This press conference is especially for the fourth anti-tobacco advertisement film contest. Now, this is a kind of social cause which is taken up by Entertainment Society of Goa along with Department of Public Health, Dentistry, Goa Dental College and Hospital. And this is the fourth time we are organizing this ad film ad film contest. The main idea is to spread the message of harmful effects of tobacco, and the entire endeavor is to reduce the use of tobacco in different forms and decrease the occurrence of oral cancer and lung cancer and different kind of diseases including heart disease. And indirectly it will also help us in promoting filmmaking and creativity through non-profit screening of these films which we will receive from the during this context. I'll brief you about the context. There are two sections, Goa section and national section. In Goa section, the film should be in Konkani, Marathi, Hindi or English and should be produced by Goan producer or production houses. Goan individuals, students studying in Goa and educational and social institutions only can participate in this. The advertisement should not be of more than 2 minutes. In the national section, the ad films should be in Hindi or English language only and should be produced by an Indian producer or production house. Individuals or students or any educational institute or social institutions from India can participate.
31st May is observed as No Tobacco Day all over the world. And that is the reason the awardees will be handed over their prizes on that day, that particular day. We find that despite of the KOTPA regulations, there are a lot of youth falling prey to tobacco. Maybe the tobacco industry is pretty manipulative and through their ads and through their movies, which they sometimes have celebrities showing smoking, chewing tobacco or smoking in the films. When they see the celebrities doing this, they tend to emulate. And that's why we are using the same medium of films to counter their the ads or tobacco films.